This video provides a step-by-step instruction for fitting the Fennel Modular Tambour Unit. For a single tambour unit, you should have two packages, one box containing the cartridge part and a separate tube containing the tracks and profiles. In the box, you'll find a set of fitting instructions, a fascia profile, 4 fixing blocks and the cartridge itself. In the tube, you will find the screw-on tracks, snap-on profiles and 4 end caps. The equipment you'll need for fitting is a mallet-type hammer, a Phillips screwdriver, a hacksaw should you need to cut the tracks, 4 25mm wood screws and up to 36 17mm wood screws. The number of these will vary depending on the height and width of the unit. Step 1. Insert the fixing blocks into the base of the cartridge. You'll need to tap these into place using the mallet. Step 2. Place the cartridge into the top of the cabinet, ensuring there's no gap between the two. It's essential that the front edge of the cartridge is flush with the front edge of the cabinet. Depending on your cabinet depth, there may be a space between the cartridge and the back of the unit. Once in place, use the 4 25mm wood screws to secure the unit with the fixing blocks. Step 3. Fit the screw-on tracks. These are 14 50mm standard length, so if required will need to be cut to size from the bottom edge. They are left and right-handed, so you will need to make sure they're positioned with the cutout at the top of the cabinet. With the lip below the cartridge, if your cabinet has a base panel, you'll need to cut the track so it fits just above the base. Then secure the tracks to the front edge of the cabinet using the relevant number of 17mm wood screws. Step 4. Fit the front profiles. Again, these are 14 50mm standard length, so if you're fitting to a reduced height, you'll need to cut them to size. These simply push onto the tracks and you can knock them into place. The end caps just clip into the top to close that gap. If the door is pulling down to a worktop or another surface, you won't need any bottom end caps. Step 5. Fixing the fascia profile. Separate the two pieces of the horizontal profile by pulling off the pre-drilled base piece. Centre the base horizontally across the top edge of your cabinet, making sure the small lip at the back is flush with the underside of the cabinet top. Once in place, fix the base piece using the relevant number of wood screws. Finally, push the top fascia cover into the groove and click it into place. So as you can see, fitting the Fennel Modular Tambour Unit is fairly straightforward. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email.